Welcome to this discussion about the reality of free web hosting services. Plenty of websites are offering free web hosting. Let us see what actually the reality which resides in their services. Let us see what is web hosting first. It is a service that makes your website available to be viewed by others on the internet. A web host provides space on its server so that other computers around the world can access your website by means of a network or a modem. Then, what is free web hosting service? The free web hosting is a hosting services which are offered free of cost to all. In this, the virtual server running on its own copy of OS and web hosting software is allotted to the website on the server connecting the VPNs to the public networks. The service is with limited bandwidth and limited number of email accounts. The VPNs are the virtual private networks that are categorized by the extension of local private networks over the internet. VPN servers host multiple websites all together in one physical storage host. However, the free web hosting services earn money from the hosted website by placing ads on it. For example, you must have seen the online ads on the side panel of the website or the annoying banner popping up on the free hosted websites. So, is it really that much beneficial to opt for the free web hosting plans? Let us see the advantages of free web hosting plans first. The only advantage of such hosting service is their cost effectiveness. They are absolutely free of cost and require not any paid subscription. However, the exact plan and policy may vary from one hosting service provider to another. The website owner gets the free space on the server, free domain name for accessing website, and global reach over the internet. In reality, this advantage is covered by many other demerits of free hosting services which do not make it suitable for the commercial purposes. The free web hosting plans are full of multiple disadvantages for those who want to host their website for the commercial purposes. Let us see the demerits of such free hosting plans. First one is advertisements. Obviously, the commercial website owners would not like to put any ads on their website other than their own. In such cases, getting the free hosting plan will not work at all. For instance, imagine the website of a famous LG brand showing the ads for free counseling or online tutorial classes. Obviously, it will rupture the brand recognition in the market. The next disadvantage is no main domain. The free hosting plans do not provide the separate domain name. Instead, they only offer the subdomain upon their own domain name. For example, you must have seen many personal blogs with the address in the format mywebsite.wordpress.com or mywebsite.blogspot.com. But those who want their own domain name must get the paid hosting services. Next drawback is no customer support. So there is no customer support if you get technically stuck on installation or there is a need for tutorial or guidance. If you are new to hosting and do not want much time to spare in setting things right, then you should go for paid hosting services. Next one is limited bandwidth and speed. Free hosting services have limited bandwidth and data transfer speed. The bandwidth is the number of visitors allowed on your website per month. If the limit exceeds, the website hosting is halted by the servers, forcing you to buy the paid web hosting plans for extended bandwidth and data transfer rate. Finally, low priority is the biggest drawback. Search engines often give free websites low priority than professional sites, thereby reducing the visibility of the site. On the whole, on the whole, there are many demerits of free web hosting plans as compared to its merits. If you are a personal blogger or looking to launch a personal website, you can opt for a free hosting plan, but it will not be an option for those who launch their commercial websites or blogs with a specific aim like earning money, building brand recognition, lead generation, promotion, and so on. In such cases, you need to choose the paid web hosting plans as per the requirements. Finally, finding a better solution to free web hosting. A better solution is to start with a reputable web host that offers low-cost web hosting packages complete with unlimited web space and the option to upgrade to a bigger package later on as your web expands. Paying for web hosting has the following advantages for business websites. You can use your own business name as a domain name. You will have all the web space you need to grow your website. You will be able to keep control of your own website and domain name. You can get whatever you want, and you can fix the advertisement service. And if you do, you can get to the you can keep the advertising revenue. You can add your professionalism by using your domain name as your branded email address. Hope this small video will help you to choose the right hosting plan for your sites. Have a nice day.